My teacher is awesome. She's like so smart, and like she's never, ever, ever going to be negative. She's just awesome.
What I love about my teacher is she's really nice and kind, and I just love her.
And what I love my teacher is she's so smart and like so remarkable.
What I love about my teacher is she's like she's the best teacher in the world. If anyone could have her, they would love her as much as I do.
What I love about my teacher is she is funny and kind. What I love about my teacher is she's kind and like make stressful work less stressful. My favorite thing in school is recess because it's super fun and my teacher is funny and I walk with her every day at our cup to snack and I love her so much.
What I love about my teacher is that she's really nice and she's also really fun, and she always lets my class have fun things to do, like videos to watch at the end of the day.
My teacher is Miss Russell. Miss Russell is a good teacher. She is always nice, and even I had a test. She's gonna make it easy for me.
What I love about my teacher, she likes hugs like me, and she's a Swiftie like me, and she is a very nice teacher. If someone had her, they would be also lucky.
What I love about my teacher is she is appreciative. She never really loses her temper a lot. She's really nice too.
I love that my teacher talks nicely and isn't that really mad when kids are in trouble.
What I love about my teacher is how she gives us work and how she also helps us sometimes.
Something I love about my teacher is that she is very kind and she is helpful. What I love about my teacher is she's nice and we have the same goal. What I love about my teacher is she's very nice, she's protective, she takes care of us. It's like, it's like a bad guy tries to rob, get into our classroom, or wild animal should lay over us so the bear or the wild animal or the bad guy would not attack us.